Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about the invisible forces. Have you ever wondered, why do things fall to the ground? Why do astronauts float in space while we don't down here on Earth? To find the answers, let's learn about an invisible force called gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is an invisible force that pulls objects towards each other. Earth's gravity keeps us on the ground and makes things fall to the ground. Gravity depends on mass and distance. Every object that has a mass also has gravity. The greater the mass, the greater the gravity. The force of gravity also depends on the distance between two objects. The larger the distance, the lower the force of gravity. The Sun and other planets in our solar system have gravity, which helps keep them in orbit around the Sun. Why do astronauts float in space? Astronauts appear to be floating in space inside their spacecraft as they are in the state of free fall. Free fall. The spacecraft is continuously falling towards Earth due to gravity, but also moving forward at an incredible speed. The only force acting on the spacecraft is gravity. The spacecraft and astronauts within it fall at the same speed toward Earth. Microgravity. The weak gravitational force in space is called microgravity, where everything feels weightless. Floating. There is no solid ground in space to push back against the force of gravity, making it look like the astronauts are floating in space. Here are some interesting facts about gravity. In a free fall, two objects with different masses, like a ball and a feather, will hit the ground simultaneously when dropped from the same height. You will weigh less on the moon than on the Earth, as the moon's mass is lower than the Earth, which means its gravity is less than Earth's. The gravitational pull of the moon on Earth causes high and low tides in the oceans. And lastly, in our universe, black holes have the strongest gravitational pull and suck in everything around it. Let's quickly review what we learned about gravity. What are the two factors that gravity depends on? Mass and distance. The greater the distance between two objects, the greater their gravitational pull. Is this true or false? It's false. Is the moon's gravity less than or greater than Earth's? And why? It's less than, as its mass is less than the Earth's. A spacecraft continuously falls toward Earth, where gravity is the only force acting on it. What is this state called? The state is called free fall. And lastly, what is the weak gravitational force experienced in space called, where everything feels weightless? This is called microgravity. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.